Today's tutorial is about chart of account budget. Chart of account budget is used to define the budget of chart of accounts heads. Chart of account is restricted chart of account heads to exceed beyond limit. For example, admin define limit of an expense head repair and maintenance is 20,000 per month for branch 1. If branch 1 exceed beyond limit of 20,000 and system generated alert admin. To define chart of account budget, go to Accounts module, in Setup Forms open COA Budget form. Select Level from List Weather. Press key down and select Head to Post Budget. Select period from list whether budget is monthly, daily, weekly, or yearly. Enter amount of budget and press Add button. You are done.